Hello everybody, this is Sir Goody, and today I'm going to show you how to route your audio in 3 different tracks. So here we have my mic, and there's the desktop audio, which will be like for games, for anything in the background. And then you can also route your music to be in a different track. So like when I'm streaming, I don't really want to hear the music, so I want to focus on the game noise. So what you need is this app right here called Audio Router. I'll post a link in the description beneath. It's a GitHub repository. It has a link to it. I got 64-bit because I have a 64-bit computer, so why not? So once you have that, you just pop it open and it looks like this. So right here it shows your default audio device, which for me are my Bose QC35s. And it shows everything that's routed to that, which is everything. It's all maxed out. I just have system sounds all the way down because that is loud as heck. And then there it shows the Bose QC35s again, but there's nothing because that's the default device, so it already shows everything. Here are the Bose 2.1 stereo speakers that I have, and the Realtek digital output. So what you could do with the music is either route it outside of your main device. So me, I have it routed to my speakers, and I just turn my speakers all the way down. I have a knob back here. I can just turn it down so it won't be heard. And if I'm curious about the music, I can just turn up the desktop. My mic doesn't really pick up anything behind it. I can just turn up the 2.1 stereo speakers and take one ear out so I can hear what they're hearing. So I have that routed to the speakers, or you could, if you don't have a second set of audio device, output device, you could set it to this digital Realtek output. And so basically all you do for that is open it, hit route. Here's default, Bose, and hit OK. I use Google Play because I have a full subscription. So this is a desktop that's being worked for. Application, I don't think it's being worked on by Google. So here I'll play the music, and you don't see it being played anywhere. Okay, that's because I have it routed. The desktop audio is using my default device, which are my headphones, and the mic obviously is my mic, and this is going to my Bose 2.1 stereo speakers, which isn't routed anywhere. So basically all I need to do is add a new audio output device, do stream music, and this, I'll show you the properties. Well, this, guys, make sure you have the tracks set differently. That way when you edit the audio, you could edit them separately and not affect each other. This is really beneficial. Like if at one point, plus I need to move this down, probably less than that. I don't want the stream music to be too loud. There's other ways to mess with it. Like right here, you could add a suppression or the compressor. I'll turn this all the way up because I did that already. And then so here you hear my voice, there's the desktop audio, and here's the music. All 3 separate tracks, okay? And that is really beneficial, like if you don't want to hear the music back to yourself, and it really helps a lot. You could either add like a noise, a compressor to make it quieter or make it more bassy. And you could also add a limiter, which doesn't allow it to go over a certain volume, and a noise suppression to soften the music, which I've added all those, but a limiter, I'm still working on a limiter. And that, guys, is how you play music in the background of your streams.